Okie dokie, footrest time. So there's the footrest. I stripped that and painted it here in the shop. So you'll notice a couple of small non-compliant issues, like that was brass brushed and painted, and so were the pins, and that kind of sprayed inside of there on the springs. The other choice was to remove the pins, galvanize everything, and put it all back together for minimal return on appearance and correctness. So anyway, Eastwood Extreme Chassis Black Satin. So primer, 2 coats of primer, 2 coats, top coats. Looks great. Did it right here on the streets of Jersey City, hanging between 2 street signs. So but it looks great, and we're gonna get it on there. So we've got vibration dampers. They kind of sandwich the whole assembly, and the mounting plates and 4 bolts. So this is everything you need to get this done, and we will videotape it. Pushrod Fury! Alright, you're clipped into a flasher relay. So you'll see a little bit of the frame. You see where we're going to mount it. I still need to figure out if this is correct. I don't know if you can see this. No, you can't. I think it is. It's for the brake return spring. So, can't really find a good drawing on it. Alright. So we got these guys, and we're going to put these with, they've got these bungs. We're going to face the bungs backwards. Well, wait a second, does that even fit the frame? Yeah, it does. Okay. So put this one in. This one. Is that right? Or do I need to flip it? No. That's just silly. No alternating. How about that? Yep. I think I've got to put this guy on. And so this goes on the other direction. I wonder what that's for. No idea. Okay. That's something else. So next, still tighten it a little bit. We'll be right back for that. Alright, we got foot pegs. Now we can put some rubbers on there. So we're going to put some foot pegs on, foot peg rubbers. And they kind of go on like that. But I found if you do this without putting something on the rubber, you end up in quite a bit of mess on your hands. So I put a little bit of Armor All on it because it eventually dries up. We don't want to put like grease on it, like red rubber grease, because that wouldn't go so great. Okay, that was easy. Heck, a little bit on that side too. Not a lot, just a smidge to give it a little better chance of going on without ripping. Well, look at that. Man, we got foot pegs and everything. Freshly painted clutch lever bracket. So it's the original one. And you'll notice the hand grip is off. So this has to go on first. For some reason I didn't remember that. I thought it would maybe clamp on with, you know, being able to wrap around the handlebar, but it has to go on first. But before I install it, because I only want to clamp it down once, I'll get the hand grip on and go from there. Armor All. Squeeze the Armor All in there. Yep. Armor All seems to do the trick okay. I'm sure this is old news to everybody, but you can stick to the bottom of the camera. Let's just make sure these are correct. I think these are the same size, these two screws. Yes. And yes, this is a JIS screwdriver. Okay, that's about right. Okay. Anyway, this needs to be like this. There we go. Okay, and then some other goodies go in there. So, let's see. I did a pretty awful job plating some of this stuff, but that's what I got for now. I can always upgrade later. But that just screws in there. Okay. Alright, now we need a clutch lever and that pivot bolt, the new one, so I'll be back. Replaced with something else. I think it is. No, it's not. Oh my god. Ah, there's a mystery fastener somewhere. Ah! Alright, show over. Oh, come on. I just verified it fits. There we go. Whew.